Hi, welcome back to Shitoku Tech. Last Saturday, I participated in a special launch of the Southern Arizona Rocketry Association. The club president has worked hard to obtain permission to conduct a rocket launch at Agua Blanca Ranch. This is federal land that the Bureau of Land Management administers. The road to the site is basically a sand-lined riverbed. This makes for an interesting ride. Finally, we are here. The launch area is very clear, not a lot of grass or brush. I like this hill to the north of the site. It will be fun to see from above. In general, the surrounding area is not overgrown with desert brush that would make it impassable. I'm flying two 56mm GoPro Rockets on Aerotech E30T-7 motors, and I expect to reach about 900 feet. The 56mm GoPro Rocket spacecraft holds the camera rotated vertically in line with the rocket body. Most all of my videos, I have cropped and rotated the video and distorted the aspect ratio to fill the frame. That makes for a better video, but it's hard to gauge distances and dimensions from the images. So the less I do with editing and effects this time, the better. Let's go! There's that hill. Interesting erosion patterns. You can see it's a nice day, clear, reasonable winds. The forecast temperature is around 90 degrees. The desert brush is not bad at all, not too dense as far as you can see in all directions. Hey, enjoy the descent here. Yeah, there's the launch site down below there. Little Sarah family photo. Okay, now we're back to Earth. We even get a little visit courtesy of this desert fly. If you're a bit parched and the heat's getting to you, you might think you're seeing a ghost. Hello from Shitoku Tech. I have to get the camera out and stop recording to make sure I've captured all the video. Now for the second flight. Darn if this camera likes to split the video into 2 gigabit files, and it seems to have clipped 2 seconds from the ascent stage of the flight while swapping to the new file. But this camera has a nice light and color balance. I like it better than the first one. I like the visual texture here. And we managed to get glimpses of the launch site. Again, looking at that small hill next to the launch site. It's really interesting. Got some pretty good hang time with that Apogee Rockets. It's a silk-like parachute from Apogee Rockets. Ah, this creosote bush looks like a nice place to hang out. Hello again from Shitoku Tech. Let's gather up the rocket and take care of the camera. Now, normally, I like to pull out some still frames from the video and go through them at the end of the rocket videos. But this time, I'm just taking the video at apogee, slowing it down to quarter speed, and let's watch the parachute deployment, some booster photo bombs, and you can see the Sarah family photos. And check out the little hill and the rest of the desert scenery. There's that parachute deployment. I had some dog barf in there. It's a flame retardant, just like a loose packing paper. It's like paper granules. Get a nice photo bomb there. That little hill just goes by. It's a really interesting feature there. I'm told it's about 250 feet tall. Okay, here's the second apogee. Hanging out there, there's the parachute ejection. Get to see the booster and the parachute go by. Got a lot of views of the Sarah family photo. All right, another photo bomb. This is such a pretty day. This is mid-April in the Sonoran Desert. Like I say, Agua Blanca Ranch. Okay, well, give this video a like. Comment down below on what you like about flying model rockets, and before you go watch more of my rocket videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.